Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is why you can't make money online and how to fix it. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, why can you not make any money online and how can you fix it? So the very first thing is a lot of people online are telling you like how to actually make money online and how to make some sales and all that stuff. And I'm not saying all that stuff is bad, it actually is extremely important. However, what is even more important is bringing value, because you have to stop focusing on the money and start focusing on bringing value. Anyone that actually makes some sales understands this, that actually makes like a living, like a full-time income. If you're making a full-time income, you actually know this, and that can go on from going, full-time income to millionaires, to billionaires, to, whatever, you name it. They all bring tremendous amounts of value, and that's how they actually do it. Think of Bill Gates, for example, who should be the richest person in the world if he had not given all his money away. But all he did is he created a software that everyone really wanted. Now, obviously, there's a Mac that came in and all that stuff, or Apple, I should say. But all they did was bringing a ton of value in and they just got paid for it. And that's just how it's going to happen. If you look at anyone online, like people that are making videos just like I'm doing right now, or people that have millions of followers or anything, they just bringing value. Look at Gary Vee, look at anybody that makes some money. That's how they do it, because people that don't do that and just try to make a bunch of money right off the bat, that is not how they're going to do it, because they don't have a brand. Even people that dropship from AliExpress, the people that are actually making the money are the people that are bringing value first. They have a great customer support, they have all that stuff that really comes into play. And I'm not going to go into depth about like drop shipping because I don't do that anymore, but that is the people that are making money. They're not the people that are just trying to make a quick buck by selling anything. They just keep on bringing more value. So I really want you to understand this. This is what I'm trying to do on this channel, is bringing as much value as possible. That's my main focus. This channel is not about me, it's about you and how you can fix your problems if you have them and start making a full-time income, or like achieve any of your dreams, whether it's making a couple $100, making a full-time income, making millions, making billions. It doesn't matter. And by the way, I'm not making billions. But you have to understand this, that the first thing is bringing value, and that's what I'm trying to do on this channel, is bring as much value to you guys as possible. The next thing is you have to keep learning. People that start making a full-time income and they're happy about it, which you should absolutely be happy about it, but they just stop progressing because they're happy with what they're doing, and they stop learning. And that's something that you have to stop doing. People always do that, and that's why they get stuck. You really have to go on to the next level and keep learning no matter what. If you're making millions, then go to the next step and make even more. And the only way you're going to do that is if you keep learning. Otherwise, you're going to stay on the same page. That's why a ton of people get stuck at 10,000 bucks a month, because that's what they wanted to make and they just get stuck there. And if you get stuck on one thing for too long, then chances are you will start to drop back down again. So you always have to keep learning. Again, I'm going to take the same example. Bill Gates takes a week off to just read and just think about himself and how he can improve. He takes a week off every single year to do that. And that's why he's the richest person in the world, or at least he should be if, you know, again, he hadn't given a ton of money away to charity. But that's probably one of the best choices he made, because he's probably happy about that. But the point here is you have to keep learning. If you stop learning, then you will stagnate, you will not move any further away, you will not progress anymore, and chances are you will slow down and just eventually drop back down. So you really have to keep learning if you want to like make more. And by learning, what's going to happen is you're going to have to change yourself, because learning is all good, but you have to actually implement it. And like, you'll listen to anyone that's making a ton of money, they will tell you that you have to change yourself. They will not the person who's making $1 million now wasn't the same person that was making, like, you know, wasn't the same person that he was like 10 years ago, where he was making $100 or maybe zero, because that's how you progress. You have to change yourself. Maybe it's, you know, people that come out of the military are typically very good at making money online, and the reason this is because they're very consistent. And that's what I had a lot of trouble about when I first started this channel, was being very, very consistent. And now I don't really have any problems with putting out a video every day, even though I have to like get myself to do it sometimes. But you know, you just have to stay consistent, and that's just one of the things. Maybe you need to eat healthier stuff. Maybe you need to get a better morning routine. Maybe you need to get better sleep, because a lot of people, again, like, they think that hustling is going to get them somewhere, or making them a ton of money, a millionaire, a billionaire. Like, you see all these quotes on Instagram, like people that are like, I'll sleep when I die. But the truth is, the people that are really making money are the people who actually get proper sleep. And that's something that not many people talk about. But if you look at Jeff Bezos, who is the richest person in the world, he takes sleeping extremely seriously, because he really needs to get those 8 hours of sleep. Otherwise, he doesn't perform at the best level that he can. And that's what you want to do when you're actually building a business, whether it's online or offline. It's exactly the same thing. So you really have to focus on changing yourself, getting better every day, like learning from the best people, like millionaires, billionaires, people who are where you want to be, or at least better than you are, because that is how you're going to learn. And you just have to implement it as well. Like, if people tell you do this, then like do this if they are where you want to be. If they're not, then just don't do it. But you really have to focus on that. So really learn how to progress, keep learning, and just stop focusing on the money and focus on bringing in the value as much as possible. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.